Yeah. Now listen, guys. In basic and digest model, dialog box asking username password is browser specific, right? Browser specific. We don't have control on form designing. No. I would like to get control on form designing. I would like to get control on error page designing, especially authorization related error page designing. Then we have to think about going for form mode authentication. So let's take the same application, guys. Okay. Allows the programmers to configure their choice. Okay. Their choice. No, I'm able to see your messages. Their choice, form page and error page. Error pages. Okay, guys. Now let's see what I have to do. Copy this, paste it. Links app security here is basic form. Yeah, guys, just 1 hour. You spare me 1 hour because we can complete Spring Security nicely. Okay. First, I have to design. I have to design form page. I have to design form page, guys. Now let me design form page. Now listen. After designing form page, when I submit the form page, who is going to read? Who is going to read username, password from that form page for authentication and authorization? My servlet component or authentication manager? My servlet component or authentication manager? Authentication manager, right? Okay. Authentication manager is a ready-made component or user-defined component? It is a ready-made component or user-defined component? Yes, ready-made component. Okay, when it is a ready-made component, okay, it's action URL, it's a request URL, it's a URL pattern is fixed or my choice. Fixed. Fixed means already decided, right? And how it is expecting username, passwords, how with what names, what request parameter names it is expecting username, passwords is also decided or not. With what name it is expecting username, password also decided or not. Even that part also decided or not. Definitely that part also decided. Come on, guys. Style. Color colon red. Text hyphen align. Login page, guys. What is that page? Login page. Tell me here, what is this? Form action. Fixed one. J underscore security underscore check. Method is equal to post. J underscore security underscore check. Method is equal to post, guys. Here I am designing table. Okay, here is my border is equal to 1. Okay, border is equal to 1. BZ color is equal to cyan. Okay, BZ color is equal to cyan. Align is equal to center. Okay, align is equal to center. Yeah. TRTD. Username. TD. Input type is equal. Input type is equal to. Tell me when I submit these text box values, I am going to read a authentication manager is going to read a authentication. Authentication manager is ready-made component, a user-defined component, ready-made component. So request.get parameter with some fixed name is already called. Same name I have to take here or not? Text name is equal to J underscore username. Fixed action URL, fixed action path. fixed action path, fixed request parameter. Please remember that. Same thing I have to do for password also, guys. Yeah, here is my password, guys. Input type is equal to this password. Nice. Okay. Lastly, what is their login? Okay. Right, guys. Call span is equal to 2. Okay. Call span is equal to C. Rama, you try to give other than this, you will get the error. That indicates it's a fixed. Fine. Okay, boss. Call span is equal to 2. Try to use common sense sometimes. Yeah, for password, you can use password also. Okay, boss. Input type is equal to, or read the documentation. Whoever saying that, how did you know these are? Read the documentation or try to give other than these names. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to login, guys. Value is equal to login. Okay. Yes. We are ready with form page, boss. Nice. Similarly, I would like to take error page also. I would like to take error page. I would like to take error page. HTML file, guys. Login underscore fail.jsp. Not JSP, HTML. Login underscore HTML. Here. Style. Okay. And I have not taken any reset button, Babu. Color colon red. It's not compulsory. You should take reset button every time. Okay. Text hyphen align. Okay. What is this? Authentication failed. What is that, guys? Authentication failed. BR AHREF login underscore form.html. Try again. Done. Login underscore form.html. Try again. This is done, guys. Links.html, fail.html. Okay. Right, boss? Access underscore ind, links.html, login fail, login form. This is done. Okay. Now we have to add entries in web.xml. I'll give steps one by one. Don't worry. We have to add entries in web.xml. Okay, let's add entries in. All these are same, guys. Okay, but in login config, things will change. In login config, check it out. Remaining all are same. In login config, authentication mode, form will change, and this is extra. This is extra, boss. Now come here. MyRealm. Here, what is this? Form-based authentication. Okay, this is form-based authentication. Yes, paste. Form login, guys. Login underscore. Hey, these are not fixed. Any names you can take. And login underscore fail.html. Login underscore fail.html. Remaining everything is ditto. Even action design page is also ditto, boss. Right. And we can run the application to check whether things are happening as expected or not. Properties, web project settings, It is still running with old concept. Here is my form, guys. Here is my form. Earlier we got dialog box, but this time we will be getting our choice one. Right click, run on server. Okay, forever I want to use Tomcat for this. Remove all, finish. Okay. All languages. See, my choice form page has come now. My choice form page has come. Okay. Raja here. Wrong password Hyderabad. Click on login. Authentication failed. Try again. Try again. Raja Rani. This time authorization failed, guys. Authorization. Already for 403, I configured error page, right? Okay. Now I am giving Ramesh Hyderabad. Ramesh Hyderabad. Oh, when I give Ramesh Hyderabad, I got error. J underscore security underscore check. J underscore security underscore check. Wrong. How come, yaar? When I give correct username password, why it is behaving like this? No, actually, it's giving error. Authorization, authentication, everything it is giving error. J underscore security underscore this. Okay, let's take post. Okay, let's take post only. J underscore security underscore check. Okay, just refresh the project once. Because when I give correct username password, why it is behaving like this? Form only, form only. This is also form only. J underscore password. Okay. I have given right now, boss. Role underscore clerk, role underscore manager. Here again. No, actually that's right. Hyperlink is getting get mode request only. Don't forget, hyperlink is still getting get mode request. Hyperlink request is get mode only. Form submission time it is changed to. Sometimes modifications won't take place, guys, properly. Okay, close the existing browser also, boss. Close the existing browser also. Right click, run on server. Authentication, authorization, it is doing nicely. Only for success, it is giving some problem. Ramesh Hyderabad. Click on login. Yes, now it's coming. So that means modifications are not taken place properly. Just clean the project. Sometimes it happens. Eclipse won't update the, won't take the updations very fastly, boss. Home. Now it is authenticated. Forever it is authenticated. Clear, guys? Easy. This is for form mode authentication, guys. Previous one is basic and digest mode authentication, and this is for form mode authentication. SRC, main, web app, WebINF. This is the story. This is the images.html. Okay, I have not pasted. First, let me paste this. Then I will come to this. File open, guys. Oh, done. Step number 3, run the application. Step number 3, run the application. Done, boss. Yeah, let's come to this. File open. This is part 2, guys. Here is my example application. Yes. Okay. Step number 1. Create custom form page. Having. Okay. fixed. Having, Sandeep Das, 2 lines in Servlet is optional, na? Only for our comfort sake we have written. Custom having fixed action URL and fixed form component names. Fixed action URL and fixed form component names. Login underscore form dot html. Login underscore form dot html. Paste. Next. Login underscore fail dot JS. Yeah. Develop custom error page. Okay. Create custom error page for authentication failure. For authentication failure. Login underscore fail dot JSP. Login underscore fail dot HTML. Save paste. Step number 3. Step number 3. Come on, guys. Next. Right, boss. Step number 3. Add the following entries in web.xml file. Enabling form authentication. Form authentication. Enabling form authentication. Okay, enabling form authentication. Copy these guys, paste it. Here is my web.xml, guys, paste. Say paste. Yeah, this is my security configuration, boss. Servlet configuration. Let me highlight this section. Remaining all are known things only, boss. Login config section is there now. Let me highlight this. Done. Where we configured our choice error page, failure page, form-based authentication, guys. Yeah. Step number 4, run the application. Run the web application. Yes. Okay. Let me give diagram of this, boss. Here is my form mode authentication. Images, everything is perfect. SRC, servlet. Same application, but form mode authentication is enabled. Note. In the target web component, we can write the following code to get more info about web component, to know about logged in user, to get more info about logged in users. What are those, guys? Where is my servlet here? Links servlet. Okay. Array form mode means you cannot get default form page. Sorry. You have to work with custom form page. If form mode also giving default form page, how does it will be different from basic, right? Dirty fellow. How does it will be different from basic? Basic also giving dialog box, digest also giving dialog box, right? It should be different, na? Okay. Nice. Okay. Shall we go to client cert, guys? Client cert model. Client cert model. Okay. This will be configured. This will be configured with respect to server, not with respect to application. This will be configured with respect to server by enabling. It is not specific to one web application, boss. It's a common for all web application. Server by enabling okay, guys. With respect to server by enabling HTTPS protocol, HTTPS, guys, HTTP over SSL. SSL is nothing but secured socket layer. Secured socket layer. Secured socket layer. Next, guys. Here we prepare. What is the process? I will tell. We prepare digital certificate. Using RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm, RSA or some other algorithm. Here we prepare digital certificate using RSA algorithm or some other algorithm. Or some other algorithm. Okay. And we configure that certificate in server by enabling HTTPS. So if the web applications are requested with HTTPS protocol, then the digital certificate will be downloaded to browser side. Will be browser client machine, guys. Client machine. Okay. Now onwards, the browser and server, browser and web application will encode the data. Will encode or encrypt the data data according to digital certificates. Data using digital certificate. Actually, MCA, you cannot control your excitement. When I'm saying concept, can't you wait until I show practical how to enable HTTPS? If you wait for some time, you will know. I think you understood the basic theory, guys. First, server side, we prepare one digital certificate, we link with server by enabling HTTPS. Part 1. When I request any web application of that server using HTTPS, same digital certificate will come to browser, will be downloaded to client machine. So now onwards, whatever data exchange happens between both the servers, between both browser and server, browser and web application will be encrypted and decrypted by using what? A digital certificate. Sir, why digital certificate is special? We create digital certificate with our information. So our information, our personal information, our company information, or some other information. No one can guess it. No one can decrypt it that much easily. Digital certificate gives much protection because they contain personalized information, which will be used in encryption and decryption. Come on, guys. Which will be used in encryption and decryption. Suppose you take base 64 MD5, guys, standard formula. Anyone can guess it or hacker may decode it. But this digital certificate contains personalized information. Got it? Personalized information, and hacker is not aware of personalized information, right? So encoding and decoding is very, very less chances are there. That's why you observe whenever we go for payment, whenever we start doing payments in internet or e-commerce website, automatically the protocol will be changed to HTTPS. Everyone noticed that? That means there onwards, the credit card details, transaction details, every detail will be encoded, will be encrypted, and will be sent over the network according to digital certificate information. According to digital certificate information. Let me show on practical, then you will get more clarity. Okay, don't excite. Okay, control your excitement and listen carefully. Since digital certificate contains personalized information. Since a digital certificate contains personalized information. What information, guys? Personalized information. Okay, the encryption and decryption that happens is very much. Encryption means not sending data as it is, adding some extra information without knowing what is encryption, decryption, completed engineering, boss. WhatsApp. Whenever you install WhatsApp, what it says? Your messages are encrypted and sent to other person. No one can take it in the middle. Got it? Encryption. That means if you send hello message to other person, it will not go as it is. It is encrypted 100 times, then it will go, right? Shame on you guys. Okay. The encryption, decryption that happens is what? Very much stronger. Very much stronger, and hackers cannot decode it or decrypt it. Decode it or decrypt it. Use case. While sending logging details over the network. Next, while sending credit or debit card details over the network while sending credit or debit card details over the network. Are you with me, guys? Credit or debit card details over the network. Yes, definitely we need this kind of environment. Definitely we need this kind of environment. Are you comfortable, my dears? Okay. No, the digital certificate is only for encryption and decryption. It's nowhere related to authentication and authorization. Okay, and etc. Yeah, steps, procedure. No, why use cost? No use cost at all. Who said whose cost, Ra? Wait, Rama, I think you have half knowledge and you are trying to make it full knowledge. No, don't keep your assumptions as reality. I'll show without. In Tomcat also, we can enable HTTP just like that. Step number 1, create digital certificate. Certificate using tool called key tool. It's a Java supplied tool and RSA algorithm. Name, it's a starting letters of 3 people, guys. Rivest, Samir, Adelman. Some 3 people are there. RSA algorithm. Yes, don't mug up, guys. How to use this key tool, I don't know. Na? Don't worry, I too don't know, but I know where it is available. Okay, JDK supplied tool. Don't think much. Yeah, JDK supplied one. So that tool is readily available. It's there in JDK supplied one, guys. Okay, how to get those syntaxes and other stuff, sir? Very simple, boss. This PC, eDrive, Tomcat 10.x, Tomcat 10.x, web apps, documentation, okay, index.html, index.html, guys, index.html. See, there is a SSL. Yeah, this is how we have to generate the digital certificate. This is how we have to generate the digital certificate. Understanding my statement? This is the tool name. Copy this, go to command prompt. Yeah, where Java path is there, na, this tool can be used anywhere. Alias name is your choice, guys. You can give your choice alias name. All these are option. Hyphen generate key, hyphen alias, hyphen. This is alias name. You can give anything. RSA is fixed. These are options. Wherever hyphen symbol is there, they are options. And Tomcat and RSA are the values. Key store password. Raja1234. I hope you remember. Alias name Tomcat already exists. I will tell. Actually, digital certificate is already there in my computer, guys. If you delete, then problem will not be there. Okay, dot key store. One file is created, dot key store. I deleted that file, boss. Now you try. Enter password. Raja1234. Re-enter password. Raja1234. What is your first and last name? Okay. Natraz. Okay. Raula. Something. What is your organizational unit? NIT. What is organization? IT company. What is the name and city locality? Hyderabad. State or prominence? Telangana. How hackers knows our personal information of digital certificate? Important, impossible na? Telangana. Right. What is your two-letter country code? IN. Okay. Is it yes? Yes, this is perfect. Now it is ready with the digital certificate, boss. Seriously, it is ready with the digital certificate. Come on. I think you can do that. Any difficulty? Where it will come? Generates digital certificate where? Generate digital certificate in users folder, guys. Yes, what is the password I have chosen? Anything I can choose. Raja 1234. Okay. Raja 1234. Done. That is JDK supplied one. What is step number 2, guys? Step number 2. Yeah. Configure. Acha, 1 minute. Before that, let me give the information. Creates digital certificate as .key store file in c:/users/windows username folder. Windows username folder. Right now, on my computer, Naresh IT is the username. That's why it has come in that folder. Yeah, it's an encrypted one. You cannot feel it. It's a you can try to open it. .key store. Yeah, it has come. Okay, don't disturb much. You cannot feel it also. We cannot see it also. What is there in that? It's completely encrypted one. Okay. Next one, guys. Configure the digital certificate with Tomcat server using server by enabling HTTPS in server.xml file. Server.xml file. What .xml file, guys? Server.xml file. Server.xml file. You cannot give your choice name. That's a fixed name. Yeah. Come to server.xml. First, go to the documentation only. I think it's open in Internet Explorer. In this documentation, there are some entries, guys. You need not to mug up. There are some entries you need not to mug up. Look at this entry. Look at this entry. Just take a copy of it. Okay. 1 minute. I'm just looking for right entry, boss. Okay, let's take this one only. Yes. Copy this, boss. Copy this. Come to this one. Array in servers section. Servers section, Tomcat server.xml. Tomcat server.xml file. Already 3031 port number is going on. Yes, guys. See, somewhere 8443 is there. Array port number is not fixed, guys. Here you paste it. Here you paste it, guys. If you want, you can change the port number also, not a problem. SSL enabled true. Certificate file store. Dot username. Yeah, this is a fixed key. Nice. Dot key store. That's fine. Password Raja123. Raja1234. That's it. Type is equal to RSA. Type is equal to RSA. Everyone getting my point? 8443 150 true. Okay. User.home.key store Raja1234. Done. Okay. Then I think we'll see. Actually, I collected the sample code from Tomcat 10, but right now configured server is Tomcat 9. If it is not working, I will change the code, right? Okay. For the time being, let me paste this in server.xml. In server.xml. Yes, in server.xml. Cool, guys. In server.xml. Done. Run any application. Run any application. Run any application. Run any application using HTTPS protocol and its port number. HTTPS protocol and its port number. Port number is what? 8443. And we have enabled what, guys? HTTPS. We have enabled what? HTTPS. Come on. Okay. Right, guys. Fine. Right, boss. Now listen. Run any application. Your choice, guys. You take your link app application. Normal link app application. Okay. Now, otherwise, you take any other country capitals application. You can take any application of your choice. Any application of your choice. Corona vaccine application, your choice, guys. Right click, run on server, say Tomcat, remove all, finish. Okay. Restart the server. Better to restart the server. Make sure that here no exceptions are coming. But it is by default running with HTTP only, boss. By default, it is running with HTTP only. HTTPS://localhost. What's the port number, guys? 8443. 8443. Understanding my statement, guys? Enter key. See, guys, your connection is not private. Observe that. Your connection is not private. This is not fixed. You can change it. After listening entire drama, how people ask, is it fixed or not? I only typed here now, boss. I only typed. I said it's a changeable, right? Use common sense, my dears. Okay. Where is the story? Right, guys. Your connection is not private, right? Okay. Advanced. Proceed to local host. Yes, turn on enhanced protection. Back to safety. It's actually we can see that certificate, boss. Okay, we can see that certificate. I think it's coming very nicely in Chrome browser. Yes. Okay, it's coming nicely in Chrome browser. I will run the application in Chrome browser once. There we can see this one. Not Chrome browser, sorry, Firefox browser. Where is Firefox? Run on server, guys. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. By default, it is trying to run by using HTTP only. Trying to run. It's nowhere related to authentication and authorization. It's a purely configuring digital certificate, bringing to browser and making browser and server, encrypting, decoding, encoding data using that digital certificate. Okay. Come on, Google Firefox. Come on, Firefox. It's still running with the regular one. That's why nothing. Now you go there. HTTP, guys. HTTPS//localhost 8443. Warning, potential risk ahead. Okay, here what? Advanced. Accept risk and continue. Accept risk and continue. You want to see the certificate? You can see the certificate. See, certificate is coming. Did you notice that, boss? That means that certificate has come here. That certificate has come here. RSA, all this stuff. Come on, boss. Accept risk and continue. Accept risk and continue. Yes, now it is running with HTTPS. Okay, I hope my application is basically ready. Hyderabad. Yes, some 23. Click on it. Our application is running with HTTPS setup or not? Our application is running with HTTPS setup or not? Whatever form data given, whatever result came while traveling on the network, come on. While traveling on the network, it is encrypted by using HTTPS support. When you are giving credit card details to PayPal, when you are giving credit card details to some other person, so this kind of encryption description is required over the network or not. Otherwise, people may misuse, hackers may misuse our credit card and debit card details. The most secured environment to send over the network is what? HTTPS, HTTP over SSL. HTTP over SSL. Understanding my point? Okay, now let me give the URL to you. Let me give URL. Copy these, guys. Say paste. Here. This is the one. Okay, you will use what browser? From Firefox browser. From Firefox. In Firefox, I am able to, what are the things we have to do? In Firefox, this is the URL in Firefox. So first what you have to say, view certificate. First what I have to say, view certificate. Then I have to say accept risk. Okay, accept risk. By default, we cannot run on HTTPS. It will come based on HTTP only. Okay, accept risk. Or you completely disable. You completely disable HTTP, then it may come with HTTPS. Accept risk, guys. So first view certificate, this is number 1. This is number 2. Okay, number 3. Okay, proceed further. Proceed further. I think you enjoyed it. You have a desire of watching. You have a desire of watching. What exactly happened, sir? First server-side digital certificate is there. Because of this request, digital certificate came to client. Come on. It is no way related to you authentication and authorization. It's a purely to send data in encrypted manner. If you want, you can mix up. Okay, client set plus form model, client set plus digest model. That's up to you. For authentication and authorization, you work with what? Basic or digest or form. Only for encryption, you use this model. Understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, in one application, we can apply, okay, multiple models at a time. Multiple authentication mode at a time. Modes at a time. Yeah. Use basic or digest or form for authentication and authorization. Plus authorization. Now Rama, tell me, if I don't copy folder to server, any issue? Don't expect I should teach what you know. You came here to know something which you don't know, right? Understanding my statement, guys? Latif Sheikh, I am not asking to display the certificate, Babu. There is a possibility of seeing certificate. Seeing certificate is not mandatory. In our e-commerce website, we never see the certificate, right? Okay. Next, use client cert model. Use client cert model. Okay, for sending and receiving data in encrypted manner. In encrypted manner, using the configured digital certificate. Using the configured digital certificate. Got the clarity, my dears? Right. With this, what we completed? Security in web application. Here some limitations are there. Number 1, we cannot use LDAP server. Number 2, we cannot, in order to register user and in order to get entries in tomcat-users.xml file, dynamically we need a lot of XML API knowledge. Okay, for taking database software as authentication for provider, lot of configurations are required. Come on. Okay, lot of configurations are required. So in order to overcome all these problems, we have to think about working with Spring Security. Spring Security is solving all these problems, boss. Come on. Right. Someone is asking me, can we see the digital certificate? Just now I have shown digital certificate now, boss. Okay. Just now I have shown digital certificate, but we cannot feel the encrypted or decrypted. That's the internal process. That's the internal process. Understanding? So still there are limitations with the servlet security. In order to overcome these problems, we have to study Spring Security. Okay, in Spring Security classes, I will show how to take property file, how to take database software, how to go for user registration, how to go for LDAP server, and a lot of things I have shown. Lot of things I will show, guys, don't worry. But to overcome problems of this only, we have got Spring Security concepts. And moreover, Spring Security never says server should have a security support. Though server is not supporting security support, okay, Spring Security can be enjoyed. Spring Security can be applied. That's the beauty of Spring Security, guys. Right. I hope you benefited with this session, guys. Okay. Yes, I will put the code in the GitHub. I will do everything I will do. Thank you. Have a nice time. Okay. Array, as long as you are not downloading digital certificate, it will show unsafe. Once you download digital certificate, it will become normal. It will behave normally. Okay, guys. Hemant, just now I spoke about it. As long as you have not downloaded digital certificate, it says unsafe. Once you download, it will not say that one. Okay. Fine. Subrat, I have taken 9 to 12, 12:30. I said, now it's a 12 o'clock. Don't you think it's a long session? I don't know where you are sleeping. Right. In 1-2 days, I will use plan of new batches. In December, 2-3 new batches will be there. Okay. In December, you can 2-3 new batches will be there. Right. Evening, yesterday's document I have uploaded. I uploaded. Right. Right, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow. Right.